Hello everybody and welcome back. We're looking at the 2004 grade 7 level Gauss competition put out by the fine folks at the University of Waterloo, and we're on question number 3. That's what we're going to be taking a look at here. So question 3, 7022 can be written as... Alright, so this question is asking us to make a connection between how we write out a number in words and how we represent it in terms of decimals. So 7022. Alright. So, if I just go over here, I'm going to write the number out and I'm going to process it as I go. So 7022. Alright. So this 7,000 here, that's the same as just, well, 7,000, but we write it out in decimals. And the 22 here, actually I'll break it down into 20 and 2. So the way we would process this is by simply adding these up together, adding up these components. Same thing works if you had like 631. You'd have 600, you'd have your 30, you'd have your 1. You add them all up together. That's one of the advantages of the decimal system. So 7,020 plus 2, so 7,020 plus 2, 7,022. Of course, if you're really good at making this connection between the words and the numbers, you'll be fine with this question. You would have gotten it a lot quicker, also because you wouldn't have had to explain it to anyone. But be careful. I mean, if you just misread this, if you misread this as 70,022, you would circle A rather than the right answer that we found, which is D. And that's important. If you're very good at math, sometimes you can just misread a very simple question and do a very simple arithmetic in your head. You're not going to bother to double check it. You're not going to come back to it. And you can actually get questions 1, 2, 3, 4 wrong without realizing it because you're going through so quickly. So always take time to reread the question, and if you've done your contest, go back and just go through the questions again without looking at your rough work to make sure that you really do have the right answer. I remember once when I was writing a Gauss, I got question number 2 completely wrong. It never even occurred to me to go back and check it because I thought it's question 2. How would I have done that wrong? So it is important to go back and check. That's question number 3. In the next video, we're going to take a look at question number 4. So have a nice day, and I'll see you for question number 4 in the next video.